think the future of the global cement industry is a good future, because I'm convinced that cement is a building material, and concrete is a building material which is required to build safer cities, more resilient cities, and to adapt the world to climate change. So what are the challenges we have from a sustainability standpoint? Obviously, we have to drastically reduce CO2 emissions from all human activities, and concrete can help reduce CO2 from buildings during their use phase as a sustainable building material. We have to reduce the use of natural resources, which means that we have to move to alternative fuels, alternative resources, waste-derived resources. And we have to increase quality of life, to make the world or to make buildings more affordable. And concrete is by nature an affordable building material which can help increase quality of life of communities and even of the bottom of the social pyramid. So that's why I think the future is bright. We of course have to adapt, to change, to improve, but that's what we try to do as companies and within the CSI. So undoubtedly, reducing the use of natural resources, not only for fuels but also for raw materials, and substituting them by waste is essential. At LafargeHolcim we have a subsidiary which is called Geocycle, and which is specialized in sourcing and transforming waste in order to produce fuels and raw materials for the cement industry. In many countries all over the world, more than 60 countries, and thanks to Geocycle, last year we used 14 million tons of waste, and we reduced it just through this. We reduced our CO2 emissions by more than 8 million tons of CO2 a year. So it shows that we really have to continue in that direction and to make sure that the entire cement sector is moving in that direction, which is reducing impacts and providing services to communities to treat waste. So concrete is by nature sustainable. Sustainable in time, durable in time. So concrete buildings are there for centuries. We see it. I mean, the very first concrete buildings were built by the Romans 2,000 years ago. So concrete is durable in time, it is safe, fire resistant. I mean, concrete is the only building material you want to have between you and a disaster, between you and an earthquake, between you and floodings. So I believe that concrete is absolutely required today more than ever in this world where we have more and more detrimental consequences of climate change. And by the way, concrete is also beautiful. Concrete buildings can be fantastically beautiful. So, but there we need architects. We need architects to use these very flexible and adaptable material in the best possible way.